Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a Disney Pixar Cars from the movie Cars 3. We have the Leakless 52 veteran racer Brian Sparks. On the back are other cars you can get from the movie Cars 3. And let's get Brian Sparks out of his box. Here is Brian Sparks. Now, Brian Sparks is the 52 Leakless racer, who is the veteran racer. You did see him in the movie Cars 3 in the first race. And if you notice that in the final race for all the veteran racers, he was one of the few veteran racers that raced in the LA 500 before he was replaced in the Florida 500. And we have the Cars 1 version of the Leakless racer. So obviously the same thing about them is that these two have the same colors, yellow, white, and black. But Brian Sparks has a similar design to Brick Yardley. The difference is that the Leakless sign is the same, but it is a little different. This one is a little bigger, this one's smaller. And also the splat for the 52 is the same. There is the Leakless on the side, in which he doesn't. And also, he has the similar sign to all of this, and he has just the normal Leakless. And he has this white patch on the side to his design, to him, and he does have it, but it doesn't go all the way on top to the roof. And also, he has a more darkish yellow, and the Cars 1 version is a light yellow. And he obviously replaced the Cars 1 version. And another difference is that he has black tires and he has also yellow tires. He has yellow tires. And the front of them as well, he has like a yellow band. A black band, and him on the front is black. Like oil, basically, like an oil splat. So I'll give you a 360 view. And that is it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.